In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate Xero with NetSuite, a seamless solution that can optimize your financial operations. Whether you're just getting started or looking for a better way to manage your business finances, understanding the basics of Xero and how it works with NetSuite will help you take control and boost efficiency. First, let's start with Xero. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It allows you to handle everything from invoicing to payroll, inventory management, and bank reconciliation, all from one platform. It's intuitive and accessible, making it a great choice for businesses that need to streamline financial processes. Now, if you're using Xero and want to integrate it with NetSuite, you're essentially linking two powerful systems to get a holistic view of your financial data. NetSuite, on the other hand, is an enterprise resource planning ERP system that offers more advanced capabilities for larger businesses. It handles everything from CRM and ERP to e-commerce and financial management. Integrating Xero with NetSuite allows for smoother data flow between the two platforms, eliminating manual data entry and reducing errors. For example, you can sync invoices, bills, payments, and financial reports between both systems, saving your team time and resources. This integration can also help with real-time visibility into your business's financial health, giving you better control and decision-making ability. So, how do you actually set it up? It's pretty straightforward. The first step is to choose an integration tool or service. There are several third-party apps available that can connect Xero and NetSuite. These tools typically have easy-to-follow setup guides, so you don't need to be a tech expert to make it work. Once you've selected your tool, you'll need to connect your Xero account and your NetSuite account to the integration platform. This typically involves logging into both accounts and authorizing the connection. From there, you can configure which data you want to sync between the two systems. For example, you might want to sync invoices from Xero to NetSuite or pull customer details from NetSuite into Xero. After the integration is live, it's important to monitor the sync regularly. You'll want to ensure that the data is syncing correctly and troubleshoot any issues that might arise. For example, if you're using custom fields in NetSuite or Xero, you'll need to make sure they match between both systems for seamless data transfer. One of the key benefits of integrating Xero with NetSuite is the time saved from not having to duplicate entries. If your business is scaling, this integration is especially valuable. It ensures that you're always working with up-to-date, accurate data, helping your team focus on more important tasks like strategy and growth. Now, you can get started with Xero and NetSuite integration today, completely free with exclusive bonuses. Click the first link below to take advantage of our extended free trial for these powerful tools. Don't miss this opportunity to get the most out of your software and boost your business operations. So, make sure you set up your integration properly, keep an eye on syncing progress, and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching. Again, be sure to check out the link below for an exclusive offer.